Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Crosshair X. Alright, so first up, maybe you just wanted Crosshair X to not launch at startup. So what you can do for that is just go ahead over to your search bar, okay? Now go ahead and type in startup apps, okay? Click on startup apps. Well, just make sure that Steam right here is not set as enabled. Also, when you go ahead over to Crosshair X, okay? Now go ahead over to options. We have here launch on startup. You can just go ahead and turn it off. You can just leave Steam right here to start when you boot up your computer. All right. Now, if you want to delete it or uninstall it, you have two options from Steam. Okay, first up from Steam. Go ahead and open up your Steam application. Now go to your library, locate Crosshair X right here. Just click on it, right click, hit on manage, and just click on uninstall. Wait for the process to finish and you're good to go. Another option is by going to your search bar and type down add or remove programs right here. So just click on it. You're going to find a Crosshair X. Click on three dots, hit on uninstall, wait for the process to finish, and after that, you're good to go as well. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.